Let's talk about using eggs for your plants. The simplest way is to use boiled egg water after cooling. Crush and add these shells to the soil. Empty eggshells are great for starting seeds. You can plant them directly and they also provide nutrients. Collect eggshells and dry in the sun or bake them. Crush and spread around plants or on freshly sown seeds. Use broken eggs to make a great fertilizer, especially for roses. Add some hing, coffee, or banana peels and blend with water. Add to your flowers. Finely powdered eggshells are great to add to potting soil or seed starting mix.